Hey everybody, welcome to Middle Life DIY. My name is Leslie and today we are checking out this bonsai starter kit. So come on along for the ride. I'll show you what it's like, what the kit's like, what my thoughts are, and we will get our little bonsai trees up and growing. So here we are. We have our really awesome little bonsai starter kit. Oh no, the wood is already coming apart. Bummer. Okay, so I have opened up the little soil pucks there and added some moisture. Now I'm just kind of making sure it's ready for our little cute bonsai plant, our little bonsai seeds that are going to go in there. One thing I am going to just straight up warn you, I had a bunch of little fruit flies come off of here when I added the water. It's like they just hatched and they made themselves comfortable in my house. So you've been warned. I'm very curious to see how this goes. They did say in the little how-to packet for the seeds that the bonsai trees have a very low seed germination rate, so it's like kind of temper your optimism. We'll see. Hopefully. I did go ahead and soak the seeds for 48 hours as they recommended prior to planting today. So I'm hoping that stacks the odds in our favor. It's a cute little thing of tools for us to use. We have all these cute tools. So in our little instruction manual, so they say prepare the soil, soak the seeds, which we've done. And then they encourage you to use your finger and poke 4 holes. Let's see. Use your index finger to make up to 4 shallow holes in the soil. See chart to know how deep. So where is so this right here is our black locust. Let's go ahead and put our little stick in there. Black locust germinates quickly, so a 1/2 inch. So we'll do there, there, there. Okay, let's fish some black locust seeds. Here's one. Number 2. Okay, just gently. Okay, 1 down, 4 to go. Next one we're going to do, let's do crepe myrtle. There's that fella. And these guys could not be any tinier. So crepe myrtle likes to just be lightly covered, so that we can oblige. We sure can. go. There we go. Okay, we're just going to lightly cover. Okay, next. Here's a name I'm going to struggle with. Royal Poinciana, Delonix regia. Here we go. Find them on. There they are. I don't know how well this one's going to live in southern Alberta. It needs warm, humid conditions. 3/4 of an inch. So we are going to poke some holes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. These are big seeds. Now this one seems a lot more willing to do some things than the others, so we're gonna pop that one in for sure. 1. These are by far the biggest seeds. Number 2. Three and 4. Okay, next. So, this one, it will be the blue jacaranda. If I am butchering these names, I'm so terribly sorry. Now, let's see, just under the surface. And it says right on it, likes warmth, needs patience. So we'll just slide this to the side, I suppose. Go. There's that one. And last but not least is pigeon pea. Okay, how deep are these fellas? 1 inch, big seed, grows fast. Okay. So the recommendation was to plant 4 seeds from each. One, 2, 3. Well, there we go. We started our little bonsai starter kit here. We will put it under the grow lights and get it going, and we will check in periodically and see how they do. But Thank you for checking in to my channel. This is a new one for me to try. I'm excited to see how they go. But yeah, we'll periodically check back in and see how they're growing, how they're doing, and figure out whether or not we have a bonsai green thumb or not. So if you liked this content, please click the like. If you want to watch more videos like this, please go ahead and subscribe, as it helps my channel out a ton. And I will see you in the next video.